In this video I'm going to show you guys how to delete a Spotify playlist on iPhone. If you want to do this on a browser, then click on the info card on the YouTube video, and you can watch that tutorial right there. But today I'm going to show you guys how to do it on iPhone. So first of all, open your Spotify app, of course. Then click on your library, the third tab on the bottom. And right here you can see all your playlists. I want to delete this one, for example. Click on it, and as you can see, right here on the left, you can see three dots. Click on that right here. Scroll down, and as you can see right here, delete playlist. Click on that, and click on delete again. And yeah, that's basically it. Now you've deleted your playlist. So if this video helps you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. I would appreciate that. See ya.
If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.